Hello, my name is Jessica, and I will be taking you on this journey into history. I have always been fascinated with history, mysteries, and the paranormal, so I decided to create a podcast that encompasses all those things. If you find these things fascinating like me, then please, I encourage you to come along each week to see where history takes us next. Welcome to another episode of Ancient Secrets and Haunted Journeys. Today, we descend into the eerie depths beneath Edinburgh, Scotland, to explore its infamous underground vaults. These dark and mysterious chambers, hidden beneath the bustling city streets, have a history filled with intrigue, poverty, crime, and paranormal activity. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Edinburgh's underground vaults and delve into the ghostly encounters that have earned this place a reputation as one of the most haunted locations in the world. Edinburgh's underground vaults, also known as the South Bridge Vaults, were constructed in the late 18th century as part of the South Bridge Project, which aimed to connect the city's high street with the University of Edinburgh and the surrounding area. The bridge, completed in 1788, consisted of 19 arches, with the largest spanning the Cowgate, a major thoroughfare in Edinburgh. The vaults were initially intended to serve as storage spaces and workshops for the businesses operating on the South Bridge above. They comprised a series of chambers formed within the arches of the bridge, built with stone and lacking in windows or ventilation. The conditions in the vaults were harsh, with dampness, poor air quality, and little light, making them an unsuitable environment for long-term use. Within a few decades, the vaults were abandoned by legitimate businesses due to the deteriorating conditions. The city's poor and destitute soon moved in, transforming the vaults into a slum-like area. The underground chambers became a haven for the city's most desperate residents, including criminals, prostitutes, and those seeking refuge from the harsh realities above ground. The vaults also gained a dark reputation as a center for illicit activities. They were rumored to be a hub for smuggling, illegal gambling, and even body snatching. The infamous Burke and Hare, who murdered 16 people in the early 19th century to sell their bodies to medical schools, are said to have used the vaults as part of their grisly operations. By the mid-19th century, the vaults were sealed off and largely forgotten. It wasn't until the 1980s that they were rediscovered during excavations. Since then, they've become a popular attraction for tourists and paranormal enthusiasts, drawn by the vault's dark history and reputation for supernatural activity. The long and sordid history of Edinburgh's underground vaults has left behind an aura of mystery and a plethora of ghostly tales. Many visitors and paranormal investigators have reported encountering eerie phenomena and spectral apparitions in the dark, narrow chambers. One of the most infamous spirits said to haunt the vaults is that of Mr. Boots, a sinister figure known for his heavy, echoing footsteps. Visitors often report hearing these footsteps following them, even when no one else is around. Some have even seen the apparition of a tall man in rough clothing and heavy boots, glaring menacingly at them before disappearing into the shadows. Another well-known spirit is that of a young boy named Jack. Jack's ghost is often seen and felt in one of the vault's smaller chambers, where he is believed to have lived or sought refuge. Visitors have reported feeling a cold, child-sized hand grasping theirs, and some have even seen the apparition of a small boy in ragged clothing playing or trying to interact with them. The vaults are also said to be haunted by the spirits of the many poor and destitute who lived and died there in miserable conditions. Shadowy figures, disembodied voices are frequently reported, as well as the sensation of being watched or followed. Some visitors have experienced sudden drops in temperature, feelings of intense sadness, and even physical touches or pushes by unseen hands. One particularly chilling tale involves the Stone Circle Room, where a mysterious stone formation was discovered. Paranormal investigators and mediums believe this room to be a focal point for dark energy, possibly used for rituals or sacrifices in the past. Visitors have reported feeling an overwhelming sense of dread and fear in this room, with some even fleeing in terror. The Edinburgh vaults have been the subject of numerous paranormal investigations, with shows like Most Haunted, Ghost Adventures, and Ghost Hunters International, all exploring the site. These investigations have yielded a wealth of evidence, including EVP recordings of voices and cries, unexplained light anomalies, and physical interactions with unseen entities. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from an EVP recording captured during an investigation. The recording features a clear, disembodied voice whispering, "Get out," followed by the sound of footsteps. This chilling message has been interpreted as a warning from one of the spirits inhabiting the vaults, urging intruders to leave their domain. Another notable incident involves a group of tourists who reported seeing a woman in old-fashioned clothing walking through one of the vaults. The woman appeared solid and real until she suddenly vanished before their eyes. This apparition is believed to be the spirit of a woman who lived in the vaults during the 19th century, possibly a victim of violence or disease. In addition to these ghostly encounters, the vaults are also known for their oppressive and unsettling atmosphere. Many visitors describe feeling a sense of heaviness and unease. Many visitors describe feeling a sense of heaviness and unease as soon as they enter the underground chambers. This palpable energy has led some to believe that the vaults act as a conduit for paranormal activity, drawing spirits and residual energies from the city above. Despite the numerous reports of hauntings, the Edinburgh vaults continue to be a popular destination for those seeking a thrill. Ghost tours and paranormal investigations offer visitors a chance to explore the dark history and supernatural phenomena of this eerie underground world. Edinburgh's underground vaults are a testament to the city's layered and complex history, a place where the past and the supernatural intertwine. The stories of ghostly encounters and eerie phenomena serve as reminders of the lives and events that have left an indelible mark on this hidden world. Whether you are drawn to the vaults for their historical significance or their reputation as a haunted hotspot, the underground chambers of Edinburgh offer a unique glimpse into a darker, hidden side of the city. The spirits and mysteries of the vaults invite us to explore the unknown and confront the shadows of the past. In our next episode, we will navigate the treacherous waters of the Bermuda Triangle, exploring the unsolved disappearances and paranormal theories surrounding this infamous region. Until then, keep exploring the ancient secrets and haunted journeys that shape our world.